Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a menu header on your Wix website. If you're looking to improve navigation and help visitors find what they need quickly, adding a well-designed menu header is essential. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with different options. From here, click on Website. This will take you to the area where you can manage your specific website settings and configurations. From here, you can preview the website settings you have. This is an important moment to double-check that this is indeed the website you wish to add a menu to. If you manage multiple sites, confirming you're working on the correct one saves time and avoids confusion later. Once you've confirmed you're on the right website, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed. This will open up the main editing environment where you can customize the look and functionality of your site. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is your creative workspace where all the design magic happens. Start by locating the Add Elements button on the left navigation menu and click on it. An expanded menu will appear showing you a variety of elements you can add to your site, from text and images to forms and interactive features. From the expanded menu, locate the Menu and Anchor section and click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you add navigation menus to your site. You'll see a range of menu options to choose from, including the main menus, language menus, horizontal menus, vertical menus, and hamburger menus. Each style serves a different design purpose, so think about what fits best with your site's layout and the experience you want to create for your visitors. Simply choose the type of menu you wish to use and click on it. Once you've selected your preferred menu style, drag it onto your website canvas. You can position it wherever you wish, whether that's at the very top of your header, along the side, or integrated into another section. The flexibility here allows you to match your site's branding and design preferences perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully added a menu header to your Wix website, giving your visitors a clear and organized way to navigate your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.